Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Public Bank app. First, download the official app from your device's app store. Once installed, register your account using your existing Public Bank credentials. You'll then set up a secure login, such as a 6-digit PIN or biometric authentication like a fingerprint, for quick and safe access. This initial setup ensures your banking is both convenient and protected. Once logged in, the app provides a clear overview of all your linked accounts and their current balances. You can effortlessly transfer funds between your own accounts with just a few taps. The app also allows you to initiate transfers to other public bank accounts or even external banks, making it simple to manage your money on the go. Confirm details carefully before finalizing any transaction. The Public Bank app makes paying bills incredibly convenient. You can pay a wide range of bills directly from your phone, from utilities to credit cards. For regular expenses, set up recurring payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Additionally, the app offers access to other services, such as viewing your loan details or checking investment portfolios, all within a secure environment. Your security is a top priority with the Public Bank app. Benefit from features like instant transaction alerts, keeping you informed of all account activity. If you misplace your card, you can temporarily block it directly from the app to prevent unauthorized use. Should you need assistance, customer support is readily available through the app, offering help whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.